Hello, guys. My name is Patrick. I'm from Brazil. I'm here through the Ohio program. I am an intern and I work in the grower team. So basically, what I'm do here is grow plants. I do spraying, I do watering, I do some pruning, and I do everything to the plant look good to sell them. When I was choosing to do this internship, I was considering to improve my English and have a practical experience. I already had a lot of theoretical experience sitting in a classroom, learning, hearing someone talking to you. And I never had a practical experience going to the field and learning by yourself. The most important thing that I learned in the workshop yesterday was how to show more yourself to the companies and how this is important, because if you don't show yourself to them, they are not going to remember you. So even if you don't have a purpose going to talk to them, it's important to do this because in the future you don't know if you need to talk with these companies. So I think the most important thing that I learned in this workshop is to don't be shy, just go and talk to them. And the most it's important to show that you are interested and what they are talking, what they are selling, and what the company does. And everything I learned in the workshop yesterday, I think I will apply in my career and as well in the internship that I'm currently doing right now is about communication with your boss, with the other workers, with the other interns, and how this is important because sometimes we think that our network we need to construct only outside. The workshop yesterday showed me that how is important to construct a network not only outside of the company, because sometimes we think that we need to talk with several companies, go to the big events like this and show ourselves. This is important, yes, but we need to talk as well with the other workers in the company. So we don't know in the future, they maybe can help us, they maybe can be a contact to another company. But if I could give you an advice, is if you are with fear, just hug your fear and go, because the improvement in your personal life, in your professional career will be huge. Experience in the Cultivates 2023 is showing me how the horticulture is huge in America. I think this event is expanding my horizon and showing me my potential to work on this and trying to get better and better.